Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is very important and crucial lecture for phrases. These phrasal verbs are collected from various commission tests, and commission frequently asked about these phrasal verbs in their test. Let's start. Call up. Call up means cancel, turn down, reject. Bring up. Bring up means mention. Come up. Come up means arise or produce. Hang over. Hand over means relinquish or give a charge. Take over. Take over means take control or responsibility. Take up. Take up means require. Get on. Get on means continue or have a good relationship. Talk over. Talk over means discuss or interrupt. Use up. Use up means exhaust or use completely. Look forward to. Look forward to means await. Go on. Go on means continue. Catch up. Catch up means discuss later news. Latest news. Fill in. Fill in means complete. Hand in. Hand in means submit. Look up. Look up means find or search. Look into. Look into means check or investigate. Figure out. Figure out means understand or solve. Go over. Go over means review. Show up. Show up means arrive. Ring up. Ring up means call. Go back. Go back means return to place. Pick out. Pick out means choose. Chip in. Chip in means help. Break in on. Break in on means interrupt. Come apart. Come apart means separate. Go ahead. Go ahead means start or proceed. Cut in. Cut in means interrupt. Own up. Own up means confess. Figure out. Figure out means discover. Get back. Get back means return. Get away. Get away means escape. Work out. Work out means exercise. Hang in. Hang in means stay positive. Put down. Put down means insult. Pass out. Pass out means faint. Leave out. Leave out means omit or skip. Show up. Show up means boost or brag. Peter out. Peter out means finish or come to end. End gradually. Lay up. Lay off means dismiss. Take on. Take on means employ someone. Cross out. Cross out means delete or cancel or erase. Sort out means solve. Make out means understand or hear. Abide by. Abide by means follow a rule or decision. Pile up. Pile up means accumulate. Pig put. Pig put means eat a lot. Pick up. Pick up means collect. Mix up. Mix up means confuse. Make off. Make off means understand. Opt for. Opt for means choose. Pass back. Pass back means return. Patch up. Patch up means fix or make things better. Plump for. Plump for means choose. Polish off. Polish off means finish or consume. Decide upon. Decide upon means choose or select. Die down. Die down means decrease. Get along. Get along means leave. Hook up. Hook up means meet someone. Jake up. Jake up means increase sharply. Kick about. Kick about means discuss. Talk about, discuss. Kick out, expel. Lay on. Lay on means organize or supply. Link up. Link up means connect or joint. Make after. Make after means chase. Make away with. Make away with means steal. Big up. Big up means exaggerate the importance. Blow up. Blow up means explode. Book in. Book in means check in at a hotel. Call up. Call up means telephone. Cape up. Cape up means finish or complete. Care for means like. Carry off means win or succeed. Carry on means continue. Add to. Add to means include. Ask for means invite. Bake away means retreat or go backwards. Bake off means retreat. Beg out. Beg out means criticize. Bull up. Bull up means confuse or complicate. Bear on means influence or effect. Give up. Give up means quiet or stop trying. Keep on means continues. Put up. Put up means postpone. Turn up. Turn up means appear suddenly. Take after means resemble. Bring up means raise children. Fill out means complete a form. Drop out means leave school. Do over means repeat a job or task. Fill up means fill to capacity. Look over means examine or check. Put away means save or store. Put out means extinguish. Set up means arrange or begin. Throw away means discard. Cut down on means curtail expenses. Try out means test. Turn off means repulse. Call on means visit. Go through means use up or consume. Check up on means examine or investigate. Wait on, wait on means serve. Get get rid of means eliminate or eradicate or erase. Get get through with means finish. Look down on means despise. Look up to means respect and admire. Make sure of means verify. Put up with means tolerate. Run out of means exhaust supply. think back on means recall or remember. Walk out on means abandon. Get by means survive. Get up, get up means arise. Grow up means get older. Walk up means arose from sleep. Bake up means support. Make make up for means compensate. These were so much advanced and important and oftenly repeated by the commission phrasal verbs. So try to listen this lecture and again and try to memorize these phrasal verbs for the test of KPPC and FPC. And for more such type of important lecture, visit my channel. You will find solid synonyms of CSS and solid antonym of CSS, and there you will also find all MCQs of 5 compulsory papers of CSS, which will help you in your one paper MCQ test and in your CSS and PMS. So like this video and subscribe my channel for such type of more videos. Thank you.